Shosho futhi ngirotha siborena eshisha singathula insizwa leni iyashixwayisa kahle kahle ngale meeting ade banjwe abokufika ukuthi something is hitting the water here but asinganakhulu ngamagama sibe sendideni evideo nisitshele ukuthi kuthini ukuphala kwakho. Uyambona umuntu wesifazane la ngathi kuthiwa nje hayi ba ahlanganene. Let's go. Let's oh yeah.
To the ANC, the EFF, the DA, look what you all are doing. Look how far has these people come. They are gathering, Somalians, Ethiopians, all the foreigners coming together to fight us South Africans for what's right, for the laws that you all have implemented to give these people right in our country. These people that are not refugees or asylum seekers. Because of the corruption going on, these people are standing up against South Africans, something they can't do in their own country. They're coming together here and fighting us because of the laws that you all have implemented. South Africans, I need you all to spread this video. I'm talking for South Africans here. These people, they are not right for our country. These people traffic their own people into our country, and what else have they trafficked in already? These people are going to fight us and they're going to stand up with arms, believe you me. So that South Africans will need to wake up. Julius Malema, ANC and DA is not for us. These people can't have such power in our country, people. We can't allow this. South Africans, please, let this message go out to everyone. Let it be heard, please.